morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the third day of our manufacturing days here during the Vienna Up 2021. This is the most exciting day. We're going to have more pitches for the Boost Up competition, and we have our award winners in the award ceremony of the Boost Up competition, Special RIS Edition 2021, as well as our Infineon Hackathon awards and pitches. So stay tuned. There's a lot of things coming today. First, I would like to welcome again long-term member of the European Parliament and now a member of the governing board of the European Institute of Innovation and Technology, Dr. Paul Rübig. Good morning, Paul.
Guten Morgen, Hannes. Wie geht's?
I'm doing very well. Thank you very much. We should stay in English, Paul.
Yes, no problem.
Excellent. Did you have a chance to look into our program yesterday a little bit?
Yes, I checked the different options which we have shown, and it was quite interesting to see how encouraged the people are, and that they have a very positive view of future framework building.
Excellent. Anything that particularly sparked your interest?
Yes, I think the main interest is, of course, how to create new networks and how to get together like-minded people. And there's a good approach and a lot of interest to have structures within European Union, but especially with the countries where innovation could be much more encouraged. And therefore, the people had, I think, a very good approach on presenting their issues in a very professional way.
So true, Paul. And I think one of our big tasks and targets is to bring in those people in the manufacturing ecosystem. This is one of the major goals for the co-location center directors, to make sure that we are able to connect all the right people. So one thing, Paul, that we heard yesterday several times from several speakers was the unexpected high quality of our Accelerate pitches, which just shows that there is a lot of talent and a lot of talented entrepreneurs also in the risk countries, confirming clearly that it's good to have a special Boost Up edition just for risk countries. I know that the EIT is very much supporting an increased support and activity in the risk countries within the new strategic agenda. Can you talk a little bit about that, Paul?
Yes, scaling up startups, of course, is a very important activity. And, myself, I'm a former blacksmith, so I know how to grow a company. So I also did some startups myself. So I know how important equity is and how much it's, which impact it will have to have professional support. And of course, EIT Manufacturing wants to have a very strong attitude on using the most modern technologies. We want to see that also artificial intelligence, machine learning, all of these activities need a lot of background, need a lot of education, and scaling up is not only equity and risk capital, it's human capital where we have to invest and where we have to see how we can get the best efforts in this area. And anyway, manufacturing will be the key success area for European Union because we have very good education systems. And of course, the improvement of this education system in more entrepreneurial activities is base of our work.
Absolutely, absolutely. And then there's another thing, and I'm talking now to the large industries that are in those risk countries. As we are building our ecosystems that are, an important network for startups, also in those countries, look us up, talk to us, become a member. The EIT Manufacturing is living from the relationship with the innovators, the entrepreneurs, the startups, the venture capitalists, the other finance organization, but also large industrial partners, large university partners, and large RTO partners. So this is an open invitation. Come see us, talk to us, and we are more than happy to support you. Paul, any last thoughts before we're going to go into the second portion of the Boost Up competition?
Yes, I want to thank everybody who is on this conference because it shows that we are interested to get success stories. And of course, up till now, we delivered a lot of success stories, but everything is also clear that we have to do professional work. So the impact-led planning is something where we can help. The performance monitoring is something where we can see where to support and where are areas where we could deliver better results. We want to have reviews and evaluations on our partners. And I think this cooperation and this forward-backward information and driving connections that can help a lot. That at least also EIT want to have result-based investment. So how quicker you grow, how better our support will be.
Good words. Thank you so much, Paul Rübig. Thank you for joining us. I really appreciate, you're a very, very strong supporter of EIT Manufacturing, and we truly appreciate that very much. We wish you a great day. Thank you, Paul, for joining us today.
Thank you. Bye.